Looking for a dependable microSD card that handles full HD video without a hitch? The Gigastone 32GB microSD card 2-pack offers exactly that, with blazing read speeds up to 90 megabytes per second and write speeds reaching 20 megabytes per second. Whether you're recording on a dash cam, security camera, or action camera, this card ensures smooth, uninterrupted video capture every time. What sets these cards apart is their versatility. Compatible with a wide range of devices, from cameras and laptops to tablets and smartphones, they make switching between gadgets seamless. Plus, with the included adapter, you can easily connect to devices that require a standard SD slot. This flexibility means you're covered no matter where or how you want to store your data. Durability matters when it comes to memory cards, especially for outdoor or on-the-go use. These Gigastone cards are waterproof, shockproof, temperature-proof, and even X-ray proof. That means your memories stay safe through travel, weather changes, or security scans at the airport. It's peace of mind you don't always get with other brands. Behind the scenes, Gigastone uses the latest controller technology paired with top-tier flash memory. This combination guarantees high performance and reliability, minimizing the risk of data loss or compatibility issues. The brand's rigorous testing ensures these cards work flawlessly across most devices, giving you confidence in every save. Gigastone's global presence, with locations in Asia and North America, means customer support is ready to assist you anytime, no matter your time zone. Plus, the 5-year limited warranty backs the product's quality, making it a smart long-term investment for your storage needs. If you want a memory card that delivers fast speeds, broad compatibility, and rugged durability, this 2-pack is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone who needs reliable storage for full HD video, whether for security, adventure, or everyday use. The convenience of having 2 cards means you can keep one as a backup or use them across different devices. Ready to upgrade your storage with a trusted brand? The Gigastone 32GB microSD card 2-pack offers a secure, fast, and versatile solution that keeps your footage safe and accessible. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free recording and storage without compromise.